Severe weather brought a mix of thunder, wind, hail, and rain into Minnesota Wednesday night. It was the first of 2 nights of stormy weather expected across much of the state. Wind gusts reached 90 miles per hour. The bad weather resulted in power outages, flooding, and dangerous driving conditions. Pedestrians caught in the storm trying to hold on to their umbrellas. The football field in St. Paul was flooded, delaying the game between Minnesota United and Colorado. Tornado sirens went off in Minneapolis. Heavy rain also flooded several streets in the Twin Cities. Flooding brought the light rail to a temporary halt. The Bloomington Fire Department responded to numerous incidents, including falling trees on the roadway. Severe hail covered yards and homes in Apple Valley. More than 75,000 customers were left without power in southern Minnesota. Most forecast models suggest another set of severe storms on Thursday evening.